Hey guys, Constance here, also known as Haiku Maven. We're going to be doing a Loot Crate video today. It's a little different than my normal Loot Crate videos. Today I got a Lootwear package. I used to get Lootwear years and years ago. I've always switched back and forth from getting Loot Crate to Lootwear, then getting Loot Crate Gaming, and then Lootwear for a while. And then I went back to Loot Crate. They have too many options, so I always like flip-flop between which one I would get each month. What they sent me is part of their Fallout Capsule collection. It is, like I said, Lootwear, so it contains 4 t-shirts for the collection. I honestly can't wait to see them. I kind of grew up on Fallout. And who did? Everyone had a Fallout game. There's so many of them. I'm really excited to see what they look like. Ooh, different colors too. The cream, white, green, and a black one. We'll start from the top. Let's look at this one. Aw. This one is called Power Armor Plateau. It's actually really cute. I like the colors on it. It feels like weirdly soft. Like it's not what I would have expected from one of their shirts. So I guess I'll try this one on real quick. Here it is. I actually really do like this one. I like the whole, kind of reminds me of like the Vaporwave stuff with the color scheme, and I'm honestly really into that. It seems like it's not the only t-shirt that kind of follows that theme too. See the full shirts in all its glory. Sorry to pause for a moment. We now have a puppy. Hi, Bubby. She likes the shirts too. It's why she came to visit. Are you cute? Next shirt is NCR, and I don't know how they managed it, but this one's even softer than this one. But I love this one so much. Okay. Here's this one. The sleeves feel a little off, but my god, the softness kind of makes up for it. I also like that the logo and everything is higher up, so I can easily tuck it in. I always love that about a shirt because I currently have an obsession with high-waisted jeans. Welcome to 2021, where I have a new obsession each week. Kind of want to wear it for stream today. It's so soft. I guess let's look at the next one, huh? Next one is a Quantum Cola shirt. They're all so soft. Mint green. This is going to be my only shirt that I own in mint green. So I'll try this one on next. Okay. That's pretty nice. Hi, puppy. Sorry, we got dog again. We got this one next. Like I said, this is the Quantum Cola shirt. I also like that the image stops right where I can put some high-waisted jeans on and you can still see everything, and I really like it. It's so freaking soft. Jesus. I'm surprised the sleeves actually fit me because it's a size small, and usually I have a really usually a big problem with t-shirts fitting me right in the shoulder and the sleeves. Like usually the sleeves just feel off. This actually feels pretty good. I guess we should take a look at the last shirt. It's called Atom Drop. Again, these are literally the softest t-shirts I've ever felt in my entire life. I hope like the softness lasts through washes. Again, we have another one that very much reminds me of Vaporwave. All with love. Look at that Atom Drop. This is probably the one I'd be most likely to wear. It's a black t-shirt. My god, do I have so many black t-shirts. It's always my go-to. Let's try this one on real quick. Let's try it on. Okay. Okay, yeah, this one fits really nicely too. Quantum Cola is probably my second favorite, followed up by NCR, which is the one with the bears, and then the first one I opened, Power Armor Plateau, is probably my least favorite, but they're all really neat. I feel like I need to go and stream all my Fallout games now. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in getting your own loot crates or your own lootwear. Like I said, they have a whole bunch of different themed loot crates. They also have their specific Fallout loot crate. Maybe I'll try to post a link for that below. Thank you guys for watching my video today. I caught words. Things are hard. My dog is cute. So please go to that page. You can also check out any more of my stuff at haiku.com. You'll have all my links there. If you have any questions, comment below. Also, which was your favorite shirt? Comment below and tell me that too. But thank you guys for watching.